Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change album covers on Apple Music. First of all, open the Apple Music app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the home page of the music player. Here, you can see that I'm in the library section of my account. Now, all you need to do is tap on the target album. Since I don't have one, I will show the steps on a playlist as everything's same. So just navigate to the target album and tap on the three dots icon at top right corner. Now, a pop-up menu will open up. Inside it, tap on the edit button and then tap on the album cover. Once you do that, you will be asked to select the source of the target image. Simply choose one and then select the image. After that, tap on the choose embed again and you're good to go. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.